Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set the big clock on lock screen. So in this device, I will show you, this is the clock style. So let me show you how to change this one to big clock. First of all, press and hold at the lock screen. Now you can see the clock style. Just tap on the clock style and just drag it. So this is the maximum size that we can make the clock style. If you tap on this one, you can change the clock style also. Tap on the style and from here you can select any style. So simply here I am going to select this one and just drag this one. This is the smallest size and this is the biggest. If you again tap on this one, now again I am going to change the clock style size. You can see up to this much we can change the size. Okay. So according to your choice, you can select the size. So let me show you. Now this is my lock screen and this is the biggest clock style. So simply in this way we can set the big clock on lock screen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.